First to our top focus, heavy firing has been reported along the international border in Jammu and Kashmir all of last night, and the firing still continues. Pakistani Rangers have been firing at about 10 BSF posts in the Arispura and Samba sector in Jammu. 2 BSF Jawans have been injured in the firing. The BSF is also retaliating and shelling from both sides is on. Sources in the BSF said that 2 groups of armed terrorists of the LET and Jaish were spotted along the international border. Ashwini Kumar is joining us first from Jammu with the latest. Ashwini, what more can you tell us?
Yeah, Ruchika, Pakistani shelling and firing is continuing in Pittar Post and other areas of the Arnia subsector, and BSF is retaliating. And since last night, Pakistani Rangers are targeting BSF post, and they have continued for 10 posts. 2 civilians and 2 BSF soldiers were injured. They have been shifted to the Government Medical College Jammu, and there are reports that because of the 15th of August, there is a concentration of terrorists across the border, and they want to go for any bad operation or the sniping. And that is the reason 2 groups have been spotted, one across the Parpur area, and second is in Suchelgarh area. And the BSF has been alerted. Already they have spotted yesterday. And that is the reason they are giving a cover fire to the terrorists so that they can divert the attention of the BSF soldier and infiltrate the militant towards Jammu area. Yeah.
All right, Ashwini, just stay on with us. Our Strategic Affairs editor Gaurav Sawant is also joining us on the phone line right now. So provocation from Pakistan's side continues, and there have been several incidents in the last few weeks, Gaurav, where firing has been reported, ceasefire violations have been reported along the border.
In this particular case, there has been a violation along the international border. And as Ashwini was pointing out, this is just before Independence Day celebrations in India. There was an intelligence report about terrorists trying to sneak in to disrupt Independence Day functions in Jammu. And that is why, from what sources are telling us, the BSF was alert. The firing at 10 posts is basically diversionary. There are 3 major gaps that the terrorists are trying to exploit. But since there was an intelligence alert, there were counter ambushes in place. The effort from the Pakistani side is to ensure that the ambushes are removed. The counter ambushes that have been put in the Nalas, in the Samba sector, also in the Radveer Singh Pura sector, they want to ensure that the terrorists are able to sneak in. And the cover firing is basically diversionary, is what sources in BSF are telling us.
Right.
But the response, we are told, has been as intense as the firing.
Well, from what we are learning, as Ashwini was telling us, 2 BSF Jawans have been injured along with 2 civilians who have now been hospitalized in Jammu. We'll leave it there for the moment. We'll of course be tracking the situation with you.